Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be short and sweet. I had a few requests of people asking how do I actually create multiple MetaMask accounts. So today I'll be covering exactly how to do it. It's super simple, super easy. Let's go ahead and get started. I will assume that you already have MetaMask installed. If you don't, you can come to metamask.io right up here. And once you have this downloaded and installed and everything is up and running, then you are going to either go into the mobile app or I've got the browser extension loaded here. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on my browser extension icon. And when yours loads, it will look something like this. You've got the MetaMask icon right up here. You have the network switcher. You have your profile icon. You have your account name, you have whether or not you are connected to this particular website. You have a couple of different options with those three little dots here. And then down below, you will see your assets and activity. Today, we'll be talking about creating accounts. It's really simple and easy to do. All you do is come up here to the profile icon, tap on it. Then you're gonna come down here and click on Create Account. You can name this account whatever you want. But let's say you created an account called, let's say you misspelled that and you typed account 4 and you clicked create. Well, let's say that account 4 was misspelled and you didn't like it. Let's say it was this one right here. All you would do is click on the account name and then you would click on the three little dots here and press account details. And then once you press on this pencil icon, the name will be editable. You can fix that typo. If it looks like this, you can fix it. And then you'll click the checkbox and then you are good to go. And that is how you rename different wallet or account names. Now you can create what I believe as many wallets or addresses as you want. You can just keep coming down here, clicking create account. And every time you do that, you can rename the accounts just like I've got here. I have drip 1 parent, drip 2, drip 3, drip 4, and drip 5. These accounts are my drip accounts and they are associated with my drip website. Now, if you want to get started with drip today, it is a great way to earn 1% in daily rewards. And I have a bunch of articles and information down below in the YouTube description. If you want to check those out and get started today, it's super easy. There are a lot of steps that you'll need to follow, but overall, it's a really simple process to get up and running, starting to earn those 1% in daily rewards. And in the very next video, we are going to cover how to add the Binance network so that we can actually start trading with drip. We can actually buy drip, we can send funds, and do all the really cool stuff of earning the 1% daily rewards. And that is coming up in the very next video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.